Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, we'll discuss the second problem of Leetcode Weekly Contest 310. It's a medium level problem. However, I feel it's relatively easier than the other second level problems that we get into the contest, right? So let's jump into the problem statement. The problem name is optimal partition of a string. So given a string is, partition the string into one or more substrings such that the characters in each substrings are unique. That is, no letter appears in a single substring more than once. Return the minimum number of substrings in such a partition. Note that each character should belong to exactly one substring in a partition. Let's see what the problem is saying, and then probably we will jump into the main explanation. So it says that suppose I have a string. Let's take the first example. It is this. It says you need to partition this string such that whatever substrings you get now, in that every character appears only once, right? If your string is suppose a b c d, then obviously you do not need to partition this string, right? You do not need to partition this string, so we are good to go. However, if your string is a b c d a, you need to partition your string like this, right? There could be other ways of partitioning. You can partition from here as well. You can get a b c d a, this thing also. But what it is saying is you need to partition such that in a particular substring no character is appearing more than once. So that is what the problem is saying, right? Now this is somewhat similar to the problem where it is said that find the means on the same lines, that given a string you need to find the length of the maximum substring, largest substring, which has no repeating characters, right? So on the same lines, so here what we can do is, we can start traversing this string, right? We can start traversing this string, and what we can do, we can keep a track that in the current substring what are the characters that we have seen till now. So suppose I take a set, because it is easier to monitor the elements using a set, right? So that is why what I do, I start traversing this string. I see whether this character is present in the set or not. If this is not present, that means whatever my current string is, current string is empty in the beginning, correct substring. So if a is not present in this set, I can put a in the set, right? And I don't need to make a new substring. That is the main issue, that is the main gist of the problem, right? Now I move to b. What I see that b, now my set contains a. I go to b, I see whether b is present in the set or not. No, it is not present. You can put b as well, put b in the set. So this is the substring, this is the set, right? I am doing this just for the explanation. Now I come to a. Now I see whether a is present in the set or not. Yes, a is present in the set. That means I cannot add a in this particular substring. What I do, this was my one of first substring. I make a new substring having a here, right? Having a here, this a here. Also what I do, I clear my set. As soon as I find that the current character is already present, I need to construct a new substring. So for that I need a new set as well. So you just clear this set, right? You just clear this set and start from the beginning. So now this will have this set will contain a here, and my new substring will be a. Now I move to c, whether c is present in the current set or not. No, it is not present. Put it here. Go to a, whether a is present here or not. Yes, it is present. I need to make a new substring. Put it there, here. Clear this. Put a here because this is the character. Check for b, this one. You can do it here, right? And also now again you encounter a, so you need to construct a new substring because a is present in this set. So you put a here, right? And you get the 4 substrings. So these were the 4 substrings that you need to construct, right? We need to return the count. So what we'll do, whenever we are finding, at whichever step we are finding that the current character is already present in the set, we just increment our answer, telling that that I need a new substring in this case, right? Pretty simple one. And obviously the time complexity for this one will be go fine. You are traversing it only one time, and now you are using extra space in the form of a set, right? So yeah, this is the solution. This is the gist of the problem. Let's directly jump into the solution that I've coded. Just a second. Yeah, you can see it's a very small solution. I initialize my answer on line number 3 by 1 because in any case, even if I don't do a partition, I will be needing one substring that is equal to the original string, right? So I have initialized my answer by 1. I have taken a set, and then what I have done, I have traversed the string and I have seen what is the current character on line number 6. I have seen whether my set contains the current character or not. If it contains, that means I need to construct a new substring. So I increment our answer and I clear my set, right? And then finally I add the current character in the set. Now obviously if the current character is present in the set or not, you can always put that character in the set, and that will cause no harm in case that is already present in the sets, right? So just to make the code short, I have done this. Otherwise you can add an else condition that if that is present, then don't insert it. But again, this was not an expensive operation, that is why I have done it. So yeah, and finally you return the answer. So this is the solution of this problem. So yeah, I hope you learned something new. Please do support it by liking this video. Do subscribe to the channel. In case you have any queries, do mention that into the comments. I'll try to revert each on each one of them. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.